Hi, McKeever's class. 6.4, area and perimeter of complex shapes. Can you find area and perimeter of complex shapes?
Yes.
All right. A complex shape is a shape made up of... I need everybody here. So the 2 or more basic shapes would be like squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, right?
Yes.
So right here we have some basic shapes, yes?
Yes.
Together, if we put them together, we make a complex shape.
Yes.
And then we can break them into just 2 basic shapes, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Area is a space. Is that everybody? It's gonna be a long video. The space. Thank you. That's all you just heard was inside. Perimeter would be the distance around the outside, right? Okay, cool. Rectangle, square, parallelogram. The area formula is? Perimeter is? The area formula for a triangle is? Make sure you divide by 2, yeah? And the perimeter of a triangle is? Okay, cool. Chunking means to break a complex shape into basic shapes, like triangles, rectangles, parallelograms, and squares.
Yes.
So this right here, so watch what I'm tracing. Can you guys see what I'm tracing?
Yes.
That is a complex shape, right?
Yes.
If I wanted to break it into 2 basic shapes, I would just draw this line right here and put an X for my 2 basic shapes, right? So the area of this shape right here that I'm shading in is 2 times 3, base times height, right?
Yes.
The area of this thing that I'm shading in is 8 times 7. Remember, not this 10, because this 10 goes all the way up. The shape ends right there, yes? Okay, so we add up our area of the small shape and the big shape, and we're good to go, right, Emma? Eyes are up here. Perimeter. For perimeter of a complex shape, we add up all the sides, yes? Let's count the number of sides. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But remember, I didn't give you that 3. Remember how you had to figure that 3 out on your own?
Yes.
And many of you forgot to figure out the 3. So you got to make sure you add up all the sides. And the 3 was really easy to figure out. We knew this side was 10, this side was 7. We just subtracted, yes? Okay, cool. Another complex shape. Yes, no? Remember, we split it just right here, so we got ourselves a triangle and a... That's a square? More of like a rectangle, I think. Okay. And then perimeter, you just add up 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, yes? Okay. Another complex shape. You guys split it into 2 different... 1 and 2 parallelograms, right? Okay, cool. And then you add up all the sides. Remember what these things are called? So if I tell you this is 4, you know that all of the rest of these are also 4, right? Okay, cool. And the last one, we had this little blobbish shape. To find the area of shapes like this, you basically have to count every single square on the inside, right?
Yes.
And then you guys realize my outside squares, these ones marked in green, I had to combine them to make full squares, yes?
Yes.
Does this make sense?
Yes.
You guys cool?